What is up, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it means you're ready to take on a new challenge, to push your limits, and to become the best version of yourself. I am so incredibly fired up for you. Today is the day you stop thinking about learning something new and actually start doing it. This isn't just about watching a video. This is about embarking on a mission, and I'm going to be your guide every step of the way. We are about to dive into a massive undertaking, breaking down the 15 most essential online courses for beginners that will completely transform your skill set. I know starting something new can feel like standing at the bottom of a giant mountain, but trust me, we're going to conquer it together. Every single course I'm about to show you is designed specifically for beginners. There's no confusing jargon, no impossible first steps. We're talking clear, actionable training with step-by-step instructions that will build your confidence from the ground up. I've personally vetted these to make sure they provide a solid foundation for your learning journey. This is your training montage, and it starts right now. And to make this as smooth as possible for you, every course, every resource, every single link I mention will be listed in the description box below. No need to scramble for notes. I've got you covered. So what you are waiting for? Let's do it together? All right, team. Are you ready to accept this challenge? Let's get into it. First up, we're tackling the world of code with Python on Coursera. This 4-week mission has you enroll, follow lectures, and practice coding with real-time feedback. Next, we master the digital landscape with Google Digital Garage. This is a 40-hour deep dive. Your mission: sign up, conquer the modules, and ace the exam. Ready to build the internet? Head to Udemy for a 63-hour web development bootcamp. Purchase the course, grind through the coding exercises, and build your own projects. We're demystifying spreadsheets with Excel for beginners on LinkedIn Learning. It's a quick 2.5-hour sprint. Start your trial, watch the tutorials, and master those formulas. Unleash your inner artist with Canva Design School. This course is self-paced. Your mission is simple: sign up, explore the design courses, and start creating beautiful visuals. Let's get analytical with data analysis with R on Coursera. In this 4-week challenge, you'll enroll, complete the lectures, and work on real-world data projects. See the world through a new lens with photography basics on Skillshare. This 10-hour course has you sign up, absorb the classes, and get out there to practice. We're back to coding with HTML and CSS on Codecademy. In just 10 hours, you'll create an account, follow the interactive lessons, and build your first web page. Conquer your fear and command the stage with Public Speaking Essentials on Udemy. Purchase the 2.5-hour course, watch the lectures, and join practice groups to hone your skills. Become a social media pro with HubSpot Academy. In this 4-hour course, you will sign up, complete the lessons, and learn to implement winning marketing strategies. It's time to manage your money like a boss with Khan Academy. This self-paced mission has you create an account, explore lessons on budgeting, and apply your learnings. For our biggest challenge yet, machine learning on Coursera. This 3-month path requires you to enroll, follow the structured curriculum, and work on complex data sets. Master the art of the written word with a content writing course on Udemy. In about 6 hours, you'll purchase the course, watch the lectures, and start crafting some really compelling content. Let's head to the kitchen with Masterclass. This is a self-paced journey to culinary confidence. Subscribe, watch world-class chefs, and practice those essential cooking techniques. Finally, expand your world with Duolingo. This is an ongoing daily mission. Download the app, choose your language, and make practicing a consistent, fun habit. And that is a wrap on our 15-course challenge breakdown. We've covered everything from coding and design to cooking and finance. You now have the training plan, the resources, and the map to get you started on your next big adventure. But honestly, watching this video was the easy part. The real challenge, the part where the growth happens, starts right now. I want you to look back at this list, find the one course that sparked something in you, and commit to starting it. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Remember, every single link, every resource, and all the details for these courses are neatly organized for you in the description box right below this video. I've laid it all out so there are absolutely no barriers between you and your goals. Click that link, sign up, and take that first powerful step. This is your moment. Don't let the momentum fade. Seize this feeling of inspiration and turn it into immediate, decisive action. You are capable of so much more than you think. If you're ready to accept this challenge, prove it. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next mission, and most importantly, go down to the comments right now and tell me which course you're committing to. Let's create a community of accountability right here. I want to hear your goals. Thank you for training with me today. Now go get it.